Whenever you're looking at loan options, it's always important to look beyond the interest rate itself and factor in all of the other aspects of that product, like the minimum down payment requirements, flexibility in terms of ratios or credit history that may be needed, of course, any points and fees that go along with the rate being offered, and also mortgage insurance or its equivalent, like the funding fee with VA loans. What I want to focus on today, though, is a comparison between conventional and FHA products specifically, both very popular and widely used in our industry. FHA loans will often offer lower rates, lower down payment options, and more underwriting flexibility in general. But that flexibility comes at a cost that is not readily seen in the rate itself. Specifically, the mortgage insurance is generally much worse than with its conventional counterparts and needs to be factored in to the analysis. Not only is there an upfront charge rolled into the loan amount, which conventional loans don't require, but the monthly mortgage insurance can also be much higher. And whereas with conventional loans, there's an opportunity to have it dropped in the future when the borrower builds up enough equity, with FHA, it's usually permanent. That means a homeowner would need to refinance over to conventional at some point in the future in order to have it dropped. But then the question is, okay, but to what interest rate? If rates have gone up in the meantime, then you may be losing more than you're gaining overall, even though you're dropping the MI. Now, certainly there are times where you need FHA due to the more flexible underwriting guidelines. But in most cases, if someone has at least 5% down, or maybe even just 3%, good credit scores and ratios in line with the guidelines, conventional would usually be the way to go, despite a slightly higher rate on the surface. And this is an example of why home buyers, and especially first-time buyers, really need a highly qualified, experienced, and knowledgeable loan officer to help navigate them through the various options and provide trusted guidance, weighing in all of the options and pros and cons of each to best serve their interests in the end based on their own particular situation and set of circumstances. So I hope this has been informative, and please feel free to reach out to me whenever you would like to discuss this or any other topic in more detail. I'm happy to do so anytime. Thanks and have a great day.